Would you believe me if I told you that you could have a slice of pizza that packs in 42 grams of protein a slice, plus it's under 400 calories. So if you thought you couldn't fit pizza into your weight loss journey, then think again, because we're gonna make it together. Things like these have helped me lose and maintain a 40-pound weight loss without feeling like I'm depriving myself, because I still get to eat pizza. Now, not to say I don't have like Domino's pizza or pizza in Italy or pizza out. I have that too. That's perfectly great to incorporate into your lifestyle. But if you're looking for something that's a little bit more nourishing, lower in calories, and easier to fit into your goals, then this is it. Let's go ahead and go over the ingredients. Now, the crust is so simple, and the reason why this is so high protein is because the crust is actually made out of chicken. So for the crust, all you're going to need is ground chicken breast, 1 pound, an egg, and then cheese. I've seen some people make it with a a cheddar cheese. I'm going to do part low moisture, part skim mozzarella. And then I'm also going to do some Parmesan cheese. I'm also gonna add just some simple seasonings, salt, pepper, garlic, and oregano. So you can kind of add whatever seasonings you also want to the crust. Then of course you can top it however you want. Now the macros that I have in the caption are based on the ingredients that I'm using today. So I'm also gonna be adding on top, obviously we're gonna add more cheese. We need a pasta sauce, so just your favorite pasta sauce. I mean, obviously you could also do like a barbecue sauce, a buffalo sauce, an Alfredo sauce, you know, have fun with whatever kind of sauce you wanna make. This would also be great. I don't know if you have seen my Caesar chicken schnitzel. Honestly, making this crust and then adding the Caesar salad on top, like I feel like that would be so good. And then I like to opt for turkey pepperoni because it is 60% less fat. So you still get obviously like that pepperoni flavor, but it's a lot less calories. These are 17 slices, only 80 calories, and 9 grams of protein. And then I'm just gonna add some onion and some green pepper. Again, toppings, obviously that's where you can go wild, put on your favorite things, be creative, be simple, whatever you want. So first things first is getting this crust made, so let's jump in. I am hand grating this cheese, so this is gonna take me a while. But I've seen these like shredders that I feel like it's done in seconds. Right now, I do wish I had one because the pre-shredded cheese comes coated. Like I can even see on this one, it's probably coated. Like I know it doesn't like always melt as well and doesn't react the same way. I know some people rinse their cheese when they get it pre-shredded. Anyway, this is what I had on hand. So I'll be here a while, but I won't make you stay and watch. So we're all set with our cheeses. Thankfully, it didn't take me too long. I am doing about 3/4 of a cup of the mozzarella and about 1/4 of a cup Parmesan. Whatever cheeses you end up doing, you want roughly a cup. We're gonna go ahead and start with our chicken and then our cheeses, our egg, seasonings, of course. And I'm gonna add a bunch of oregano and garlic. Basil would also be really good with this. Onion would be great with this. And at this time too, you can also heat your oven to 350. And time to mix it all up. Okay, my mistake, we're actually preheating the oven to 400. I've also seen a few recipes that do 425 or even broil. We're gonna do 400 for this recipe. We have a parchment lined baking tray here. We're gonna go ahead and spread out the chicken in the shape of a pizza. We wanna get about 10 to 12 inches of a pie on here. All right, so we're just putting our chicken into a pizza pie. Pie crust ready, so it's gonna go in the oven. So while our pizza crust is cooking for about 25 minutes to a half an hour, depending on your oven and how thick you actually made the crust, we can obviously start prepping our ingredients. I'd love to hear what toppings you would add to yours. I'm honestly really excited to be experimenting or like to experiment in the future, like different toppings. I have so many ideas besides just your typical like red pizza sauce. And let me know if you want me to film some of those ideas because I'm really excited about like pizza nights. I've used a 2-ingredient dough for pizza nights before. If you haven't tried a 2-ingredient dough, you absolutely should, because it is so easy and such a great way to get some added protein in. It's basically just flour and self-rising flour if you have it. If you don't have self-rising flour, you would just add some baking powder, and then it's Greek yogurt. Or I've seen some with cottage cheese. I've actually made one with cottage cheese. Yeah, so there's a lot of different ways you could make it. I think this one's gonna be better because you just get that protein. That one obviously doesn't have as much protein. It does end up being quite a bit higher in calories. If you want more recipes that are geared towards weight loss, that are high in protein, that are easy to make, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that's what I do on this channel. I'm all about sharing healthy recipes that are simple, high in protein, lower in calories. Again, these are the types of things that have helped me lose and keep off 40 pounds, and that's what I'm here to help you do too. And because this recipe doesn't pack in very much fiber at all, I highly recommend pairing it with something fibrous, you know, maybe some a side salad, some other veggies on the side, or load it up with veggies. I know sometimes pizzas can't quite hold that much veg on top, but just something to put out there. Obviously, one meal with low fiber isn't going to be the end of the world, but it's something to be mindful of. It looks amazing. We just have to let it rest for a few minutes before adding on the toppings. Add our sauce first. And of course, you can add as little or as much as you want. I know some people like light sauce, some people like heavy sauce. That's one of the great things about pizzas at home, is you can make them however you want. Of a cup to a cup of mozzarella. I like a lot of onion on mine. Let's get that 40 plus grams of protein in. We are gonna add our turkey pepperoni. And we can also turn our oven up to 425, a little bit higher, and then this is gonna go in for a few minutes until everything is cooked and melty. For fun, I'm gonna add a little bit of parm on top too. Obviously totally optional. All right, now let's put this back in the oven. The pizza is out of the oven. I did end up putting it on broil for a little bit, but moment of truth, bon appetit. Oh my God. This literally tastes just like pizza. Like you wouldn't even know. It's so good. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you like this recipe. Let me know in the comments if you give it a try. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe so that I can keep bringing you more healthy, delicious, high protein meals and lifestyle and weight loss tips. So thank you again, and see you next time.